This is where my husband used to work, guys. Look at this construction site they got going. Looks like it's gonna be a hotel, or I think apartments. But look, this framing company is doing this. Look at that. It's pretty cool. And then you guys have to try this restaurant. It's called Red Dragon. It's in Rancho Cordova. It's really good. My respects for these people that do construction. Because without them, we wouldn't have buildings, guys, honestly. But do architect, look. He's doing framing right there. Looks like he's framing a wall. It's crazy. I'm going to show you a little bit of the shopping center where I work. There's a Lowe's, there's a yogurt thing here, and then Lowe's yogurt. See it? A beautiful plant. There we go. Doing framing. There we are. Nice. Están haciendo un proyecto aquí, ya van casi para 1 año y medio en este proyecto, si no me equivoco. By the way, guys, I speak Spanish también. Yeah, looks like they're making an apartment or hotel, but yeah, look at that. I think they're on their final, they're gonna do 5 stories. Va a ser. It's pretty cool. It's coming along. Alright, guys, well, I gotta go, so bye. I'll cut. Oh, there we go. See, I'm new to YouTube. I'm gonna do another video over the weekend, so you guys stay tuned and peace out. Have a good one. Hope everyone has an amazing weekend. Bye.